Kaylee Hatch. I'm the Director of Special Services for Lake Hamilton School District. We are at Sunshine Therapeutic Riding Center today for our Sunshine Days Equine Assisted Learning.
The Sunshine Days is a partnership with the Sunshine Therapeutic Riding Center and our Special Services Department. And today we've brought two classes, one from primary and one from intermediate. And the kids are going through stations. They're getting to brush the horse, they're getting to lead the horse, and then we've got some fun interactive games for them to do.
We're really excited about this opportunity to partner with the Sunshine Therapeutic Riding Center for Equine Assisted Learning.
Some of the benefits of the kids coming out here are they can interact with the horses. There's different sensations and tactile cues out here in a new environment, and the students just get to get out of the classroom and have a great day of learning.